Hey guys, welcome to episode 55 of Portfolio Update. I hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday so far. Wow, what a day. We are currently down 22% or $2,480. It's kind of crazy. It's just everything was down today, and a lot of people told me to sell my Tesla call before the news, and I did not, and I guess I'm learning why. So Tesla right now is down over 12%, and as you can see, after hours it's down almost 7%, and that was just during the Battery Day event. This was right after Battery Day. It just went on a skydiving trip. There was good things on there, amazing stuff. The batteries were amazing. We kind of got hints on potentially a $25,000 car. And yeah, it was good. It wasn't as amazing as people were led up to believe. It's going to be very good for the company long term, and Tesla's going to do very well in the future. But I guess a lot of the stock is already expecting that, and so it really didn't move, and so people just sold. And tomorrow is going to be very interesting because I do think it was oversold, but who knows? People are weird, so tomorrow we might get a lot more people selling, or we could have a really nice recovery. I don't know. So I am down 67.9% or $1,150, and now my total return is negative $187 or negative 25%. That's kind of crazy. We used to be up to 200% on this one contract, and now we're actually down. If we can find 1 week chart, but it was just crazy. And or for the option, yeah, pretty crazy, down 75% this week. Hindsight's 2020. Maybe I should have sold, but I just looking back at it, I'm always bullish, I guess, and maybe I carried over what if I had actual shares of Tesla, my belief in it. But with options, you have to play differently. I was getting eaten away by Theta as time, this call expires Friday, so we're closing in. So just by having less days, there's less chance that the stock can move to where it needs to be for this to be in the money and all these things. So should have taken that into factor, and a lot of people were telling me to sell, buy the news, or buy the hype, sell the news. And so this is another lesson. Hopefully we can recover some. I know we're gonna get hit way harder tomorrow morning, because when we ended the day we were still down, but that didn't take into after hours where we went down almost 7%. So tomorrow should be pretty interesting. I bought the call for $730. It was up to $2,000 and something, and now it is down to $500, and I could see it hitting near zeros. I'll probably, if it does that, I'll probably hold it till the day before and sell whatever. Hopefully people buy back, but if not, call option lesson right there. So Shell's is down 4.3%. I guess it's mirroring Tesla. Every other position I have is down. I'm down $151 for my 69 shares, and then for my one contract I am down 53% for today, and overall I'm down 44% or $172. SPAQ is down 4.75%. Similar chart to Shell. Not much to say for my 217 shares. I am down $169. Overall, I'm up $314 or 10%. For my one contract, I am down 32% or $35. And overall, I'm down 39% or $47. Yeah, overall, pretty bad day. Probably my biggest loss. This would probably be equivalent to that day where SPAC was up $1,000, and then I ended the day down $700 in my SPAC position. So, pretty much crazy day. Today was probably the worst day my portfolio has had in the market. Down 22%. The closest one to this was with Shell, or not Shell, with SPAC. When the merger was first announced, it had shot up about $1,000, and then it ended the day negative $700. So that left me a little shook. And then the day where Eros also tanked. But yeah, pretty crazy day. I do think a lot of the stocks in my portfolio will recover. They all had significant red days. I don't know about Tesla, but the rest I do have hope in. Hopefully we can end the week back up or above 10,000, but that all depends on if people are thinking, or what their thoughts are on for the market overall. I feel like the market this whole week has been bad. Maybe it's just because my portfolio has had 2 red days in a row, and I was expecting to have this week be amazing. But I guess I was a little delusional. But yeah, guys, that's the end of episode 55 of Portfolio Update. Bad day for me, but this is part of the journey. You know, you have those really good green days, and then you have days like this. And I'm sure you guys have had days like this, but it's how you bounce back that matters. You know, you don't lose faith and just stop investing or whatever. You learn from it and you live on. I think I learned a good lesson on options. However we feel about the company, you gotta have your ins and outs. I just thought I would be selling after Battery Day, and that's what I was thinking. That's, I guess, really what I'm thinking now. But I think overall, my best bet was to sell Tesla call before, maybe like 2-3 days ago. Once I saw the stock starting to go down, or not moving how I expected it, that's when I should have sold. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. If you guys really enjoyed, consider subscribing. Let me know how you guys have been hanging up. But I'll see you guys tomorrow with episode 56 of Portfolio Update.